जय हिंद, आई एम कैडेट सुशांत बागडे.
जय हिंद, I am Ankita Kumar Bakure.
जय हिंद, आई एम कैडेट ओंकार वसंत भोगले.
I'm cadet Shweta Kumar.
जय हिंद, मैं कैडेट तुषार तुंगे.
जय हिंद, this is Cadet Das Abib Saharshawat.
जय हिंद, आई एम कैडेट तुम्हारा जिंके भारत.
जय हिंद, I am Cadet Renuka Arjun.
जय हिंद, आई एम कैडेट ओम शिवाजी मोरे.
Jai Hind, I cadet Mansur Shamira.
Myself, CPL, Manchuratu Himabindu Suryanarayana.
जय हिंद, मैं कैडेट साहब शिवराज नामदेव.
जय हिंद, मैं सार्जेंट ऋतिक पांडुरंग नाळे, तुळजाराम चतुर्चंद महाविद्यालय बारामती, टू महाराष्ट्र बटालियन एनसीसी पुणे. आज डीसी कॉलेज बारामती के कुछ कैडेट और मैं आत्मनिर्भर भारत के बारे में कुछ बताने वाला हूँ. आत्मनिर्भर भारत के पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी की परिकल्पना है कि हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत राष्ट्र बनाएंगे. इसका सबसे पहले उल्लेख आत्मनिर्भर भारत मिशन के रूप में हुआ, जिन्होंने 12 मई 2020 को कोरोना वायरस के संबंधित आर्थिक पैकेज की घोषणा की.
Reforms and enablers introduced across various sectors of the Indian economy under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Firstly, I would highlight that the government will provide an additional rupees 40,000 crores under MGNREGS, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. This will help generate nearly 300 crore person days in order to meet the need for work, along with providing work to the migrant workers who return home during the monsoon season as well. So, this program is targeted at giving a boost to employment. Moving to health reforms and initiatives, the public expenditure on health will be increased by ramping up health and wellness centers and at the same time strengthening our lab network and surveillance. This will strengthen the country for future pandemics in case they arise. The third highlight is technology-driven education with equity post-COVID. Under this scheme, government programs like Manodarpan, PM E-Vidya, and a new national framework for curriculum and pedagogy will be soon launched. The fourth highlight is the enhancement of the ease of doing business with the help of IBC-related measures. IBC stands for Insolvency and Bankruptcy. Under this reform, the minimum threshold for initiating bankruptcy and insolvency proceedings has been raised from ₹1 lakh to ₹1 crore. But in this case, we have largely excluded or insulated the MSMEs, what we commonly know as micro, small and medium enterprises. Another policy that will be announced in these sectors, apart from the strategic sectors, the public sector enterprises or the PSEs will be privatized. This move will reduce the number of enterprises in the strategic sectors to less than 4 by merging them together. So in this way, wasteful administrative costs will be minimized.
5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. Second point refers for MSME. Third point, short term and long term measures for supporting the poor, including migrants, farmers, etc. And the fourth point is refers for agriculture, fisheries and food processing sector. The second last point is employment support for to businesses as of doing businesses and state government. The last point is education sector and last is a conclusion. Okay, thank you.
Poor including farmers and migrant workers. We supply food grains to migrant for 2 months. Affordable rental housing complexes for migrant or urban poor. Rupees 5,000 crore special credit facility for street vendors. Rupees 30,000 crore additional emergency working capital funds for farmers through the National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. Rupees 2 lakh crore concession credit boost to 2.5 crore farmers through the Kisan Credit Card. Thank you.
I am explaining topic the 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. First, economy. Second, infrastructure. Third, system. Fourth, demography. And last point is demand. Thank you.
Speak up on employment supports to business. Ease of doing business and state government. Rupees 40 crores increase in allocation of MGNREGS to provide employment boost. Public expenditures on health will be increased in investing in grassroots health institution and ramping up health and wellness centers in rural and urban areas. Key reforms for ease of doing business and corporates. Center has decided to increase borrowing limits of state for 3% to 5% for 2020 to 21. This will be gives state extra resources of rupees 4.28 lakh 4.28
आपको MSME के सुधार के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था के MSME के महत्व को देखते हुए पैकेज के तहत MSME के लिए 3 लाख करोड़ रुपए के जमानत मुक्त ऋण की सुविधा इस वित्त क्षेत्र में मदद करेगी। ECS में कमी के माध्यम से 50 करोड़
COVID-19 pandemic has posed a severe threat to the economy of the country. To overcome these testing times, Honorable Prime Minister has come up with Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan that promotes local economy. A special and comprehensive economic package of rupees 20 lakh crores that accounts for 10% of India's GDP has been announced to bring the economy back on track. Honorable Finance Minister has further announced structural reforms for various sectors to pave the way for Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat, for agriculture, animal husbandry and fisheries, following are the funds given by the governments. For agriculture infrastructure development, rupees 1 lakh crore is given by the government to the farmers so they can infrastructure in their farms. Animal husbandry farmers can make infrastructure for the animals. For beekeeping initiatives, rupees 500 crore is given by the government. For the fishermen, through the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampadana Yojana, rupees 20,000 crore fund is given. All this helps to farmers for agriculture marketing choice. This will help farmers to scale up and grow in their life. All this helps for agriculture produces more quality and price issues.
I'm here to speak on short and long term measures supporting for the poor, including migrants, farmers, etc. Free food grains supplied to all the migrants for 2 months. For the migrants, labor additional food grains to all the states and union territories. And also use the scheme One Nation One Ration Card. Technology system to be used enabling migrants to access from ration any fair prices shops in India. Thank you.
मैं आपको आज कृषि और खाद्य की प्रक्रिया के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। किसानों के लिए फर्म गेट बुनियादी ढांचे के लिए 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए का फंड एग्री हुआ है। प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना के माध्यम से मछुआरों के लिए सूक्ष्म खाद्य उद्यमों का अनौपचारिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड एग्री हुआ है। उसकी प्राइस 10,000 करोड़ रुपए की योजना है। राष्ट्रीय पशु रोग नियंत्रण एनिमल हस्बेंड्री का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड 1,500 करोड़ रुपए है।
MSME sector, rupees 3 lakh crores collateral free and rupees loans have been announced for businesses, including MSMEs. Some welfare measure includes rupees 50,000 crores equity infusions through MSMEs fund, reduction of EPF contribution for businesses and workers for 3 months, extension of due date all income tax return for financial year 2019-20 till 30th November 2020, and rupees 45,000 crores partial credit guarantee scheme 2.0.
My topic was employment support to businesses, ease of doing businesses and state governments. My first point was rupees 40,000 crore increases in allocation for MGNREGS to provide employment boost. And my second point was Center has decided to increase borrowing limits of states from 3% to 5% for 2020 and 21 only. This will give states extra resources of rupees 4.28 lakh crore.
I am going to explain the point education sector. A comprehensive initiative called PM eVidya will be launched, which unifies all efforts related to digital education. This will enable multi-mode access to education and includes Diksha, digital platform, which will now become the nation's digital infrastructure for providing quality e-content in a school education for all the states.
Gains from above mentioned points. Atmanirbhar Bharat has been called by some as a repackaged version of the Make in India movement, using a tagline such as vocal for local. India's self-reliance will be based on 5 pillars: infrastructure, demand, economy, vibrant demography, technology-driven system. It will benefits laborers, farmers, honest taxpayers, micro, small and medium enterprises and cottage industries. When you speak self-reliance, it does not advocate for self-concerned system. In India's self-reliance, there is a concern for whole world